guys, Awesome Dawson 22 here. What's the happy haps with you? You can call me Awesome Dawson, just awesome, or the Big Dawes. Right, gold pack openings. As you see, they're probably shit, but we'll play on. Who's the cunt then? The main cunt? No, poor. Look like a potato, but that's fine, that. He's a definite greasy lesbian. He can fuck off. Fucking dire. Pack number 2. Good fart there from the doors. Yeah. He's getting sucked off. Albino. Once again, a shit pack from EA. They're all cunts. Duh! Who getting this one then, fellas? Who's the main cunt? You're a cunt! You're all fucking poor. Cheeky £1 there. Just what you want, a basic chemistry card. Sure, that'll come in handy. Right, any pace cunt, yeah? A barber and him up front. Yeah? Yeah? Fucking cunt. Keep you in this club though, might as well. Fucking hell. Doesn't he look like a dyke? My name's Lucretia, and I need no man. Oh, and Zonzi's a good player. We'll get him in there, big man. Good, Anyakov, he's good. Fucking cunt. Yeah, the fucking benders in the background, can't you, boy? Probably getting cunted on clubs. Nearly as bad as your mum. Wind in the willows. Saggy old cunts. They're all poor. You're a cunt! You're a cunt! And you're a cunt! Looks like Rodriguez, who's also shit. player. Keep the ball. Keep the ball in there. Could say one of the worst signings of the summer. He's shit. And black, which makes him even more shit. Good in the air. Showing your paw. Oh, cunt, not that. Fucking waste the coins, fellas. Falcon on the front, guarantees not Falcon on the pack. Oh shit! Turn off my TV. Maybe not, change the channel. What a cunt. Having a nightmare. Some fucking bender. Don't know what I got in the pack, let's have a look. Keane. He's a good player. Saggy old cunt. Stanley Club boy. Just what I want. A basic goalkeeper, chemistry style, and a France League 2. We'll take the free goal pack though. Redeem. You can all fuck off, fellas. I need to know now. Can you come on me again? Who we got then? He's poor. Ah, you're gonna get discarded, you can't. Bodmer? He's fucking good, isn't he? Pile of shit. Yeah, I'm gonna sign for Man United. Oh wait, no, they actually didn't put a bid in for me at all. Haha. Because I'm poor. Tim Cahill in the pack. Hopefully not, because he's fucking shit. Lorente, good in the air. Keep him in the side. Podolski, his Dyer, but we'll put him on there. The only chink on this game who hasn't got pace. Oh, I got in the goal pack. Too many for egg fried rices, I reckon, fellas. In addition, P-Head is fucking dire. So is Randy Carroll, and he's a cunt. Damn Page. Good in the air. You can stand the side, fella. Good in the air. Some Israeli can't. Rapist. That's fine, that. Itchy balls. Vidal on the pack, but not going to get him in the pack because it's EA and they're cunts. Biden fella. Limp Willie fella. Fucking dire. Could say the worst keeper I've ever had on side. Who are you? Yeah, we'll stay in there. Cam CM would be lovely. No, the other way around. Poor. Goodison Park can suck my cock. Hopefully 2 more gold packs left, boys. Before we hit the 300 grand mark. Vidal on the pack, he's fucking dire. But I wish I'd get him in a pack, because I'm a cunt. Pedro Leon, he is fucking hell, he's got a big forehead. He's fucking shit. Fucking get in there. Haha, one more goal pack left, boys. Last goal pack. Last goal pack. Guarantee it's fucking shit. Yeah, some fucking shitty cunt Brazilian who I really don't want. 5'6". Fucking dire. He's a good right back. Yeah, he's not going to get raped by fucking Royce every game. Fucking ears as well, fellas. Well, that's it from the Big Doors Awesome Dawson 22 for this pack opening on FIFA 14 Ultimate Side. EA a cunt.